Hello YouTube, Sam here from youtube.com/onlivegamer for the new Boston, and in this tutorial we're going to be taking a look at replacing parts of a string. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to come over here to New Project, and once it opens our new project window we're going to select a console application, and I'm just going to call mine Replacing SubStrings. And let me pull this up here a bit, and then just go ahead and click OK, and it should load our project. Okay, so now that our project has loaded, let me go ahead and zoom in here a bit. Okay, so now that our project has loaded, we're going to go ahead and create a new variable. So we'll just call it myString. And we're going to create a second variable, and we're going to call it final string. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to prompt the user to enter in any string. So we're just going to type console.writeLine, please enter a string. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get what they typed in. So myString equals console.readLine. Okay, so after we get what they've typed in, we're going to go ahead and remove part of that string, or replace that part of that string with another string. So we're going to type final string equals myString, and then we're going to use dot to see what we can use for myString. Now you can see there's a whole bunch of stuff here. We're going to type replace. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go through here, and we will just type in the first argument a inside of quotes, which is the old value, the value that we want to replace, and we're going to replace a with the new value. So let's just do n. And then finally we will write that out on the console. And then we'll just do console.readLine, so it waits for us to input something before it closes. And now we're going to start running this program. It's going to say please enter a string. So I type Sam, dog, cat, cow, astronomy. Now if I press enter, you can see that all of the A's were replaced with an N. So here we have Sam, and you can see down here it's SNM. The A in cat was replaced with an N, and this is in astronomy instead of astronomy. So we can also do this with something larger than just one character. So if I type hello in here, we can replace it with, let's say, goodbye. So now if I type in something like hello OnLiveGamer, it's going to replace it with goodbye OnLiveGamer. Now if you don't type hello in your first string, it's not going to replace it at all. And I'll just show you that right here. So if I just type the new Boston here, it's just going to give me the new Boston back because it didn't find hello anywhere inside of that string. So this is a pretty simple tutorial. Thanks for watching. Once you guys have this nailed down and you know how to do it, go ahead and move on to the next tutorial.